What's going on, fellas? Thanks for joining me on another episode of Duck Gun Chronicles up here in Michigan for another duck hunt. And it's a snowy day, so snow hunts are obviously some of my favorites because usually they turn out pretty good. But we got Kevin with us over there somewhere back in the brush, and his buddy Greg. So and we got both their dogs. What is it, Ruger? Is that what you said?
Yes, sir.
Ruger and Kobe. So should be a good hunt with some good dogs, and all we need left is the ducks to show up. So stay tuned and we'll get after them. Come. Take them. I got one too. Take them. I got one too. I think more coming. I think more coming. More coming, Kevin. To your side. Right over you, Kevin. You drop one. You gotta shoot that one again. Alrighty, fellas. Well, we got a couple down. It's a Susie. Kevin's got a Drake over there. And the snow is coming down, so should be good. I got the 100-year-old gun out again. And you can say I'm stubborn because I'm gonna shoot that thing until I'm good with it. So we'll keep them coming. Bunch went out to feed. They should be coming back at some point. Overhead, topping. He's coming right at us. Take him. Take him. Nice. He did it right.
You did it the way you're supposed to.
Big old one with red feet.
Look at that green on there, man. That's cool.
Take that every day of the
Look at
week.
how bright them legs are.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
Where did that bird come from? Behind us?
Shit, eat it. Yeah, that was a spooky one there.
Yeah.
He wanted in here, but he could tell something was goofy.
Yeah, I think he was just gonna land. He was gonna land at the front of the geese. So
Is it dead?
nice.
Is it where we told you?
That ain't the same one, is it? You don't see it. Huh?
He's flying high over
Yeah, those are getting out, I think.
Somebody's proud of their duck. Right here.
Alrighty, fellas. Well, that is a wrap on today's video. We stayed out there for a while longer. We absolutely froze. We had a few more mallards pass by, but everything kind of stayed out in the fields and fed. It really didn't work back in. So we were just cold enough that we called it quits about 11 o'clock. So that's all she wrote. But after the hunt, guys, I did swing around and start knocking on doors. So I want to give a little bit of a shout out to onX. I was able to go to properties and click on the maps. And the way it works in Michigan is you have to have permission from the landowner. If you want to hunt on a lake, you have to have permission from the landowner behind it. So that touches the lake, even if it's a public lake that everybody can fish on for hunting. So, you know, a little unfortunate, but if you do get permission, it's nice because then nobody else can hunt there, or other people can't hunt there unless they have permission too. So I was able to go around, use onX, click on a property owner's address land right there, give me their address. I go knock on their door and get permissions, and I actually got a couple more spots. And if you know anything about duck hunting, guys, that is enough to get anybody freaking jacked. So I'm super excited about that. Big thanks to onX. It's making my season that much easier. You use it on app or web right in the palm of your hand. So that's all we got for today, guys. Stay tuned. I'm actually getting the boat ready, going out tomorrow morning with my dad. This cold, snowy weather, hopefully it's pushing in some mallards. That's what it feels like. That's what we're saying. So stay tuned. Hit that sub button so you don't miss out on any more videos. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go.